Draconic greetings! Our project today, steam train.
Not really. Oh, it's hot. Okay, we have pressure.
Maybe. Super tried to buy the steam train, thinking it would work perfectly. It's a used train. He wants to make a train line in his garden.
It isn't hot, not
And
really hot.
he thought it was a great idea to buy this train, but this train is kind of leaky.
We're also looking at this side. Here we also have bubbles. Normally I don't fix trains. It's completely new for me.
We are now soldering.
Ow!
It's a great tool. No? Who let the gas out?
We get pressure. Yeah. Oh, it works.
Yes. I see drops
Where?
here. On this.
On the next.
Yes.
God damn. No way.
We have a new leakage.
Okay. No way.
Just film someone who's never done this before, and it really stinks. It really stinks.
That looks great. Let's make a test trainway. Test railway.
Test
Train.
Test train. Railway.
Train.
Train.
I like trains.